Hello everyone. Tomorrow's a big day for me. Tomorrow, February 9th, 2013, I'm gonna ask my girlfriend to marry me. She's gonna be recording her own proposal because I told her that I need to do this video for my job. So you're gonna get to see and hear her reaction. So wish me best of luck, and here we go. They have to still walk all this. We just had a blizzard, so, but it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be a long journey ahead, so. We're gonna go up here. I'm gonna go ahead of her. You're almost here.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mira, aparte. Ya queda chiquito para abajo.
Yeah.
Y dijiste que no soy alta. Esa es la
No tanto.
Okay, let's go, David.
Zoom in.
That's not good?
I don't see the...
Well, it'd be better over
here
there.
and he can do it straight on.
Ponte aquí.
Either, whatever looks good in the background.
Ponte aquí adelante.
But you gonna close or fuck?
Well, the view and me. But you know, you have to get the right angle. You ready? Alright.
Hold on, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, ready?
Look.
Well, today I'm going to talk about the difference between common and uncommon things. When you're talking about finance, it's very important to understand the difference between what people do that is common and what people do uncommon. 90% of the population is going on, whereas 10% of the population controls 90% of the wealth. And once you understand what to invest in, and you really figure out what's common and what's uncommon. But today I'm just going to talk about what's more important than finances and things like that. So I'm going to talk about what's more important. What's more important is love. And therefore today, what I really wanted to do to marry me today.
Woo!
Would you please marry me?
Are you serious?
Would you please marry me?
Are you serious? Oh, wow.
Would you marry me?
I had no idea we were going up here to do this. Yes, David. Yes, 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 I will. Oh, I had no idea. Uh-oh. That's okay, cleaned it off.
Clean it.
Did you guys know about this? Oh, wow.
Tony. Thank you. Oh my
Congratulations.
Oh, David, I had no idea. Yes, yes, I will. No, I didn't. No. I thought we were doing this for your job.
Let's get.
Bro, no,
¿Qué vas a decir? ¿Qué tienes que decir?
Gotcha.
what you want to say, me girl?
I'm surprised.
I told you this. It was for my job, right?
Yeah. It's pretty.
How you feel?
You caught me off guard. I was supposed to know it.
You see the ring?
It's pretty.
That's it.
Oh my gosh, I love it, David.
This is a little blurry, this camera.
So much looking for diamonds, huh?
Yeah.
It's
Beautiful, right?
pretty.
You want
Going the whole way. Why are we going? Okay, I won't ever complain again.
Oh yeah? I got you on camera for that one.
I won't ever complain again, I promise.